Are you getting Roku overheating issues? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Disconnect the Roku device and allow it to cool down. When Roku is overheated, you can see a red light on with a "Your device is overheating" message. Turn off Roku. Unplug the power cable and let the device sit for at least an hour or two. Method 2. Clean the Roku device. Keeping your Roku device clean is essential for optimal performance. Here are some steps to help you maintain your Roku device. Unplug your Roku audio device from the power source. Gently wipe the exterior with a soft, lint-free cloth to remove any dust or debris. Avoid using liquid cleaners directly on the device. Check periodically for dust buildup and clean as needed. Method 3. Keep the system in an airy space. Make sure you keep your Roku system in a well-ventilated space. Pay attention to the vents and openings where dust can accumulate. Move the Roku device to a cooler, more well-ventilated location, away from other heat-generating electronics. You can use an HDMI extender to create more distance between the Roku and the TV, which can help improve airflow. For Roku streaming sticks, Roku offer a free HDMI extender cable to improve airflow by moving the stick further away from the TV. You can request one on the Roku website. Avoid placing it in enclosed spaces or near heat sources. Make sure there is enough space around the device for airflow. Method 4. Use official adapters only. Using third-party power adapters can indeed cause issues with Roku and even damage your Roku device. Stick to the official Roku power supply to ensure compatibility and safety. Look for any labels or markings on the adapter itself. Official Roku adapters typically have the Roku logo and model information printed on them. Visit the official Roku support page and check the images of their official adapters. Compare these images with your adapter. Method 5. Limit continuous usage. You should limit your Roku system usage. This means you should avoid using your Roku device such as streaming videos or playing games for long stretches of time without breaks. When you are done watching or using your Roku, power it off completely. This allows the device to cool down and prevents it from overheating. Over time, electronic devices generate heat. Turning off your Roku gives it a chance to cool down and maintain optimal performance. Method 6. Update Roku. Sometimes due to outdated software, Roku cannot function properly and create such issues. So, update the system. Go to Settings, then select System, then select Software Update. Check if there are any new updates available. If there are, follow the on-screen instructions to update the software. Method 7. Contact Roku support. If the overheating persists after trying these steps, the device may need to be replaced, as it could be a hardware issue. In this case, you can contact Roku support for further assistance and follow their instructions to resolve the issue. And there you have it, the way to fix Roku overheating issues. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.